Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Alibaba to Big Cartel in 2023. Just keep in mind, there isn't a direct native integration between Alibaba and Big Cartel. Connecting Alibaba to your Big Cartel store would typically involve a manual process of adding products and handling orders. So please note that this integration landscape might have changed since then. So it's important to check the latest resources and information provided by both Alibaba and Big Cartel. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we will have to go and sign up for and set up an Alibaba account. To do so, go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, of course, I'm going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. If you have many, whatever you prefer. So once you open that browser, go to this URL section, simply type alibaba.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, this will take you to the home screen or main screen of Alibaba website. You can scroll down, as example, and see whatever you want on it. And of course, if you have an account, make sure to go to the top right corner and sign in into your account. You can sign in with Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and Twitter, or X as it's called at the moment, to prevent yourself from doing all the boring steps of logging into your account. The same will be with sign up. You will be able to sign up with, as an example. So as you can see, sorry, detect unusual traffic from your network. So let's just try to verify as an example. And here, as you can see, you can create your accounts with fill in those informations again as example, country, region, what do you want to be, a buyer, seller, or even both, email address, login password, confirm the password, company name, full name, the phone number, and verify and agree to the free membership agreement, terms of use, and privacy policy. Once you finish, of course, you will have your account ready to use. For me, I'm just going to click on sign in, and I'm trying to sign with my Google because it will prevent you from doing all the boring steps of signing in alone. And here we are. Here we are in our account. So now what you'll need to do, of course, just go and open a new tab. Go and type in this URL section again, bigcartel.com, and hit the enter button. And again, you'll be taken to the home screen or main screen of Big Cartel. So from here, basically, you will have to go and log in again into your account if you have an account at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create an account. But before you can, of course, you can scroll down, read more information about this website. You can even see the plans that comes with it, the pricing of it, and the features. You can pause the video and check it all out by your own. For me, I'm just going to log into your account, into my account, and I'm going to access my dashboard. Here, as you can see, before starting or before start doing anything, make sure to finish this getting started checklist. Make sure to finish verifying your location and currency, add products, explore shipping profiles, connect the payment processor, design your shop, and launch your shop. Because this will set up your profile or your account, so you'll be able to do anything. Once you finish anything, you'll find this completed option. So make sure to complete it all. And now, what we'll need to do is simply select products from Alibaba. So browse Alibaba products and select the ones that you want to sell on your Big Cartel store. You can contact a supplier, negotiate terms, and gather products information, including images, description, and prices. Or maybe it's your products. So if you want to import your own products, there's even an option to export those products as a CSV file. And once you have your CSV file, you can go back here, go to products, click at the three dots at the top right corner, click on import products. Once you're here, as you can see, are you coming from another platform like Shopify? It's your Squarespace. We make it easy to get up and running in no time. All you need is a CSV export of your product. So click on it and add your CSV file that you get from your Alibaba products. If it's your own, you'll be able to export it. If it's not, you'll have to go and contact the supplier and gather information. If it's your own, just add this CSV file, and once you do so, the products will be automatically added into your products here. But if you don't, of course, as I said, you will have to do it manually, so the connection will have to be manually. So go to whatever products you want, and of course, you can contact the supplier. If you don't want to, you can, of course, don't contact the supplier, and you can simply just go to whatever products, as example, this one, and let's just go to this one as example. Gather all the information about these products, like the name, description, variants, price, everything. Just copy everything about these products. And now, let me just block this notifications. Now you can go back to your Big Cartel, go to products, click on plus this icon, And here you'll have to fill everything manually, from images, from product name, description, categories, active status, of course, price, variants if there's the products have some variants, shipping, and this US tax category. You can ask a tax professional in this products qualifier for lower US tax rates, especially if you're living in US. Of course, you can learn more from here as example. So once you do so, hit the save and you will find your products here. So you'll have to do it for all the products that you want to import from Alibaba. So basically, you'll have to gather informations, give it here or get it here. Once you do so, you can go to your account here, click on design, and you'll find all your products already listed. Because once you add it to your products, it will be already listed to your websites automatically. You can even change the order of it and change the theme and change a lot of other stuff. I've made a video on how to do that on the channel. You can go and check it out if you want to. So let's just click on exit. So basically, that's gonna be it. This is gonna be the connection. Just keep in mind that when like a customer make like a purchase on your big cartel store, you'll need to manually place the order with the corresponding Alibaba supplier, and this usually involves accessing the order details and entering them into Alibaba platform, communicates the order details to the supplier, and coordinates with the supplier for order fulfillment and shipment or shipping. And once the supplier ship the order, manually retrieve the tracking information and updates your big cartel order details with the tracking number. And you can of course provide some clear communication with the customer about the order process, shipping times, and any potential delays. So keep customers informed and address any concerns promptly. And continuously, of course, monitor the inventory levels of the products you're drop shipping from Alibaba. Update your big cartel store product listings accordingly to avoid selling products that are out of stock. This is very important. And be prepared because like customers will be upset if they buy something or they try to buy something. Then when you try to go to your Alibaba, you'll find it's out of stock and you'll have to come back and like cancel the order. And it's going to be like upsetting for the customer. And of course, be prepared for to provide like customer support related to products inquiries, shipping updates, and any other concerns that may arise. And finally, keep an eye on both Alibaba and Big Cartel for any integration options, plugins, tools that may become available in the future. You can go to accounts, scroll down to the bottom, click on browse apps and integrations, and keep looking here until you find like one day Alibaba, or you can keep an eye on the news of Big Cartel or Alibaba. If they made an integration, this will make this integration very easily. You don't have to do this manually anymore. Everything will be automatically. You can simply connect now your accounts, your Alibaba accounts on Big Cartel if they made this integration. It's not made yet. And you can, of course, import everything, all your products automatically. So you don't have to go and add them all one by one here in products manually. And if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully now connected your Alibaba with the Big Cartel. Of course, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one. If you have any issues, you can go back to Big Cartel at the bottom right and use this option to search for your solutions, for including live chats and even like this help site page. So this is going to be it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.